Keep looking at the New York Post website for a correction of that story they wrote about on Monday about how December wasn't starting out so good and how wrong you were going to be. They're not. I'm not. It's not forthcoming, I don't think. But you were exactly right about
what a number.
The economic backdrop, and there's good things happening, and it validates some of the moves, right?
Growth with very little inflation. I wish people were making a little more money. Obviously, Joe, we want people to make more money. There's a fellow by the name of Michael Semblus. I don't know if you know him, but he is the chairman of market and investment strategy at JP Morgan. He came up with a list of what the cable companies, cable, CNN, MSN, what do they cover? The number 16th is positive economic news. All the rest of them are negative. So you know what's going on here, Joe. People don't want to say good things. And this is the best number I've ever seen in my life.
Well, I said this earlier, can it last forever, Jim? How can it last forever? Unless it's a participation rate. And
I think it has to go up, Joe, because when we win the trade war, which you know we're going to win now because we have the better numbers, then they're going to have to put jobs here. That's what they're going to have to do. We're not even talking about that yet. In the end, the Chinese are going to have to put jobs here because this thing is the president can walk away from the table with this number.
You are so anti-normal, knee-jerk thinking of the MSM. So we could actually have more jobs coming back if we win the trade war. No, you won't see that written or said anywhere.
Well, sometimes the truth sets people free.
Yeah, that's a beautiful...
Look, Joe, you and I both know. These are 50 years, okay? Now, I'm 64. There's beating. I didn't know about things were in 13 when I was 13 and 14, other than the war. But these are. I'm not going to say it. You can't contradict that these are the best numbers of our lives.
Yeah.
You can't. I mean, we had guns and butter when we were doing these things 50 years ago, and that followed with inflation and recession. I don't see inflation. I don't see recession. 50 years ago, that number was a curse. Now it's a blessing. Yep. And you know something, Joe? It doesn't matter whether you hate them or like them. These are real numbers. Someone said Janet Yellen numbers. That was funny.
Unemployment rate since 1969. That's literally longer than I've been alive.
Well, I mean, what am I going to do? I'm not from the Navin Johnson School of Economics.